This is an amazing solution for growing leeks. They become large, healthy, and grow much faster than usual. Today I am going to show you a fantastic natural fertilizer for leeks, and also a powerful homemade spray that protects them from diseases and pests. Leeks are a type of vegetable that thrive best in sunny or partially shaded areas, in soil that is loose, fertile, and able to retain moisture well. However, it should not be too compacted because that can easily lead to rotting at the base. If you plant leeks from seedlings now, you will enjoy fresh leeks throughout the autumn and even well into the winter season. The key to successful leek growing is proper planting and the right nutrition. When planting, make sure to place the seedlings deep in the soil, around 15 to 20 centimeters. After that, gently cover them with soil and water thoroughly. This step is essential because it helps develop that long white stem we all love in leeks. Leeks are heavy feeders, which means they need a lot of nutrients, especially nitrogen for strong leaf growth, as well as phosphorus and potassium for overall health and root development. For that reason, we are going to make a natural fertilizer that gives leeks everything they need to grow vigorously. First, I take a container and pour about 300 milliliters of warm water into it. Then I add the first ingredient, which is 1 tablespoon of nettle tea. Nettle is incredible for leeks because it is packed with nitrogen and iron, both of which help the plant produce lush, green leaves and develop a strong structure. On top of that, nettle boosts the plant's resistance to various diseases and pests, which is especially important during the warm summer months. Next comes another ingredient that costs nothing, and that is wood ash. I add 1 tablespoon of ash to the same container. Wood ash is an excellent natural source of potassium and calcium, and it also contains some phosphorus, which is essential for root development and overall plant health. Not only does ash provide nutrients, but also helps balance the acidity of the soil. Just make sure not to overuse it. If you do not have any ash at home, you can easily get it for free from pizza restaurants that use wood-fired ovens, as they usually throw it away and are happy to give it to you. After mixing these ingredients, I let the solution sit for about 24 hours so that the water can absorb all the valuable minerals and beneficial compounds. Once the time has passed, I strain it, add 2 liters of water, and use this liquid to water my leeks twice a month. This simple practice results in strong and healthy plants that tolerate drought much better and are far less vulnerable to pest attacks. Now comes another very useful tip: a natural spray that protects leeks from common fungal diseases like downy mildew and rust, and also from pests such as the leek moth. I start by pouring a little water into a container. Then I add the first ingredient, which you probably already have at home: baking soda. I use 1 heaping tablespoon of it. After that, I add another important component, which is 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. Finally, I include 1 tablespoon of mild dish soap or liquid natural soap. This combination is excellent because the baking soda changes the surface pH on the leaves. The oil helps suffocate tiny pests and keeps the solution on the leaves. And the soap ensures everything mixes properly and sticks well. I stir this mixture thoroughly, strain it if needed, and dilute it with 2 more liters of water. When you notice the first signs of disease or insect damage, spray your leeks with this preparation for 3 days in a row for best results. If you found this advice helpful, make sure to subscribe to the channel. It's completely free. Check out our other videos because we have plenty of great ideas for natural and healthy gardening. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you again very soon.